Hello guys and welcome back. My name is Vlad Sarser and I'm your mortgage broker and your loan officer. Today's topic is LTV ratio, loan to value ratio. What is loan to value ratio? Let's dive into it. The LTV ratio is basically a measure that compares your mortgage to the appraised value of your property. So let's give it an example. Let's say you're purchasing a property and it's going to cost you $1 million. So that's the value of the property. It's been appraised into $1 million. Now, let's say, for example, you're putting down 20% of your own money. So $800,000 is your mortgage. You take $800,000, you divide it by $1 million, which is what the property is worth, and you get 0.8 or 80%. And that's what we call 80% loan to value ratio. So your LTV is directly proportional to how much money you're going to put down. So if you're putting down 30%, then your LTV ratio is 70%. Okay. If you're putting down 50%, then your LTV ratio is 50%. So it depends on the value of the property and the amount of the first mortgage. I'll give you another example. Let's say you're purchasing a condo. It's worth $500,000. You're going to put down $250,000. To determine the LTV ratio, you take $250,000 divided by $500,000 and you get 0.5 or 50%. So that's your LTV ratio, 50%. All right, guys, and this is a really important measure because lenders use this measure to determine whether a person is going to get a loan or not. And when the LTV ratio goes up above a certain point, some lenders may say no. Just to keep in mind, LTV ratio is definitely a huge decision maker for lenders. The more money you put down, the better your rate is going to be and the better your terms are going to be. Overall, you get better security with a large down payment. Okay, if you guys have any other questions, feel free to give me a call. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you think it was helpful, hit the subscribe button. Watch all the other videos. There's a ton of great information for you. And prosper gracefully, and I will talk to you later.